Class 9, Unit 16, Classification of Plants and Animals. Good afternoon, Class 9. Question number 3, continued. Classify the following organisms. Number 1, pine, Nepali soldo. Kingdom, plantae. Division, Tracheophyta. Subdivision, Gymnosperm. Main characters are as follows. It is means pine. It is generally found in hilly regions or high altitudes, generally cold seasons. Number 2, it has naked seeds and needle-like leaves. It is tall and branched. Scientific name Pinus roxburghi. Pinus, Pinus, Roxburgii, Borgi. Pinus roxburghi. Pinus roxburghi. I. Mosquito. Kingdom Animalia. Animalia, not animal. Subkingdom Invertebrata. Phylum Arthropoda. Class Insecta. The main characters are as follows. It has means mosquito, jointed legs, a head, thorax and abdomen. Head, thorax and abdomen. Number 2, female mosquitoes lay lot of eggs on still water and suck blood. They are generally active at the time of night or especially in summer seasons. So harmful insects. Continued. Question number 4. Name the malarial parasite or the causative factor of malaria. Also write the scientific names of leopard, rice, cat, maize, wild buffalo and mustard. The malarial parasite is Plasmodium volvox. Plasmodium. Plasmodium volvox. Volvox. Plasmodium volvox. Plasmodium volvox. English names and scientific names. Yes, scientific names. Leopard, not leopard. It is not leopard, it is Leopard, leopard. Scientific name Panthera pardus. Panthera, Panthera, Pardus, pardus. Rice, Oriza sativa, or you can say sativa. Cat, Felis domesticus. Felis, Felis, domesticus, domesticus. Felis domesticus. Felis domesticus. But you can say domestica as well. Domestica is also correct. Felis domesticus or Felis domestica. Maize. Maize. Zemays, maize. Wild buffalo. Bobalus bovalis. Bubalus. Bobalus. Bubalis. Bovalis. Bobalus bovalis. Wild buffalo. Mustard. Tori. Brassica campestris. Brassica, Brassica, double S, B capital, Brassica, Brassica, campestris, Compestris, campestris, Brassica campestris. Question number 5. Classify the living organisms, means plants and animals, completely. Living organisms means living plants and animals. There are 5 kingdoms. Kingdom number 1, Monera, Monera, Monera. Protista, Protista, Protista. Fungi, Fungi. Plantae, Plantae, Plantae. Animalia. Again, Monera, Protista, fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Monera, like bacteria. Protista, like amoeba, Paramecium, euglena, Polvox, Chlamydomonas. Fungi, non-green plants like mushroom, mold, mucor, yeast. Mushroom, mold, mucor, yeast. Plantae are green and multicellular plants. Green and multicellular plants. Now, Plantae can again be subdivided into three divisions: algae, bryophyta, and tracheophyta. ALGAE, algae. BRYOPSYTA, bryophyta. Tracheophyta, TRACHEOPSYTA, tracheophyta. Tracheophyta is again divided into three subdivisions like pteridophyta, gymnosperm, and angiosperm. Pteridophyta, P silent, PTERIDOPSYTA, pteridophyta like fern, club moss, horsetail, etc. Gymnosperm, 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 hilly regions, found in hilly regions like cycas, pine, tupi, etc. Angiosperm, 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 most advanced among the phaerogames. Generally, they are found everywhere. Kingdom Animalia. Animalia has 9 phyla. Phylum number 1, Porifera, Coelenterata. Already learned in lower classes. Coelenterata. Platyhelminthes means flatworm. Nemathelminthes or Aschelminthes means roundworm. Annelida, long and segmented worm. Annelida. Arthropoda, jointed leg animals. Arthropoda has 4 classes. Arthropoda has 4 classes. They are Insecta, Crustacea, Myriapoda, and Arachnida. Mollusca, 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 soft bodied. Echinodermata, 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 sea animals or marine animals having 2 feet. And last one, Chordata, Chordata, Chordata. The phylum Chordata has 4 subdivisions or 4 subphyla. It is better to write subphyla. 4 subphyla of Chordata are Hemichordata, 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 Urochordata, Urochordata, Urochordata. Another Cephalochordata, 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 Cephalochordata means head and abdomen are joined. And last one is vertebrata. Vertebrata. You learned in lower classes. Vertebrata is again divided into 2 main classes: poikilothermic or cold-blooded like Pisces and Vipia reptilia. Whereas another is homeothermic or warm-blooded animals like apes or birds and mammalia. The most advanced among the animal kingdom, mammalia, like bat, human beings, horse, dolphin, etc. Whale, the whale looks like a fish, but it is not a fish, it is a mammal. a bat looks like a bird, but it is not a bird. It is a mammal. It is different from a bat. Is different from bird, and a whale is different from fish.